Welcome to Sun in the Sun. Hurry up!
That was Scissor Sisters. Thank you, Scissor Sisters.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
I have nothing to say because our writer has run out of words and is unable to do anything. Oh my god! Ah! How could he?
I quit.
Okay. And in the showroom today we have our writer who has just quit,
I've been joined.
our camera woman, Kimberly,
Hi guys.
and Scissor Sisters, obviously, and our crowd. Thank you, thank you. Now, we have some technical difficulties, as you can see, but we will get to them right away. There we go, they are done. Thank you, crowd, thank you. And now, we are going into the water! Oh no! I have no words to do! I don't know what I'm doing!
I'm bored.
What am I doing?
Oh, that was so crappy. You were like, I had some technical difficulties before you ever did the technical difficulties. You kept repeating it. It's kept coming.